Children, glad to meet you again in this part 2 video. I hope you are understanding part 1, History Unit 1, Evolution of Humans and Society, Prehistoric Period. We recall it again today. Human chimpanzee, common ancestors. Introduction. The foundation of our modern life was facilitated by the development of the process of cognition among the human ancestor in the prehistoric age. Prehistoric people were the pioneers of creative knowledge. Origin of the earth and geological ages. The history of human is closely related to the history of the earth. The earth contains geological, archaeological and biological records. The fossil bones of the human ancestors are embedded in the earth. Paleoanthropologists and archaeologists evidence about human ancestors. Australopithecines were the apes from which modern human evolved. Human inquiries into the past and origin of the world. The age of speculation. What is speculation? Is nothing but without evidence, that is forming of a theory. Already you know, humans are the only species on earth. They turned curious and began to think and ask questions about nature, organism and the world around them. They worshipped sun, moon and various natural forces. Scientific foundations of geology, biology and archaeology. Herodotus is considered as the father of history. The rise of scientific inquiry was possible because of the interest in collection of archaeological remains and the opening of museum, the development of ideas of stratigraphy and geology, biological evolution of Darwin's theory, the discovery of human and animal fossils, stone tools, artifacts of early civilization, the ability to decipher early scripts. Decipher is nothing but cannot read. The ability to not yet read early scripts. Then we saw about that oldest museum. This museum of Ennigaldi-Nana in Mesopotamia. Like that we saw already. Then what is fossil? Fossil is nothing but prehistoric animal or plant that turns into stone over a period of time. Stone Age, the period when stone was mainly used for making implements. Bronze Age, the period when bronze metallurgy developed. Iron Age, the period when iron was melted to produce implements. Since the 19th century, scholars have used advanced scientific techniques. They undertook systematic studies to contribute to the current state of knowledge on prehistory, human origins and the early civilizations. Now the theory of human evolution is widely accepted. Okay, in this video I am going to explain about how human evolved and how they are migrated to different parts of the world. Okay. Prehistory from Australopithecus through Homo erectus to Homo sapiens. Human evolution and migration, Paleolithic culture, Mesolithic culture, Neolithic culture. Let we go through under each heading. Human evolution. The chimpanzee, gorillas and orangutans along with the humans are collectively called the great apes. Among them, the chimpanzee is genetically the closest to humans. The DNA of a chimpanzee is 98% identical to that of a human being. Next one, human migration. This is Africa. The Great Rift Valley in Africa has many prehistoric sites are found in Eastern Africa. Great apes. Hominid. Hominid refers to all the species of the modern and extinct great apes, which also includes humans. Hominids. Hominins is referred to the close relatives of human ancestors. Prehistoric culture. Prehistoric period does not have evidence that is does not have evidence of writing. Fossil bones are classified as various pieces. I already said what is fossil. Okay. It based on the lithic tools. Lith means stone. That is stone tools. Okay, now we will see about the classification of prehistoric cultures. What is that? Lower Paleolithic culture, Middle Paleolithic culture, Upper Paleolithic culture, Mesolithic culture, Neolithic culture. Okay, let me go through under each heading. Lower Paleolithic culture. The Lower Paleolithic culture is marked by the human ancestors belonging to the species Homo habilis and Homo erectus. The human ancestors flaked large stone blocks and designed various tools including hand axes. The hand axe tools are also known as Acheulean. Acheulean. They were first hand axes recognized at a place called Saint Achille in France. Hence, they are called Acheulean tools. These stone tools are found near the Chennai region at several sites, especially at Attirampakkam. Next one, Middle Paleolithic culture. This is changes took place in lithic technology. Okay, lithic technology. Lith means stone. The method and technique involved in the production of stone tools are called lithic technology. The people of this period were called Neanderthals. They buried the dead people systematically. Perhaps they were the first human ancestors to bury the dead. Evidence for the Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed in some parts of Tamil Nadu. In southern part of Tamil Nadu, at Pudupatti and Sivarakottai, artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools have been collected. Also near Tanjavur and Ariyalur, similar artifacts can be found. Next one, Upper Paleolithic culture. Long blades and burins were produced. Burin is a stone made chisel with a sharp cutting edge. See this picture? This is a stone made chisel with a sharp cutting edges. Horns and ivory were used for making tools and artworks. Evidence from paintings, clay model sculptures and carvings are also available. Next one, Mesolithic culture. It is also known as the Middle Stone Age. People mainly used microlithic tools. Microlithic means nothing but small stone tools. The tool types are scrapers, lunates and triangles. These people hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts and roots. Scrapers are tools used for scraping the surfaces. That is, scrapers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetables. Triangles are tools in the shape of triangles. Lunates are tools in the shape of a crescent. Next one, Neolithic culture and the beginning of agriculture. The period called Neolithic marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. Early evidence of the Neolithic period is found in the Fertile Crescent region of Egypt and Mesopotamia, the Indus region, the Gangetic Valley, and in China. You see the picture, the dark place is called, that is Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is the Fertile Crescent region. Neolithic age is called the New Age because of the new grinding and polishing techniques used for the tools. By hunting and gathering, people obtained very limited food, as a result of which only a small number of people could exist in a particular region. Then we will see about the Iron Age. Okay, you will see here few points. Cattle rearing was their main occupation in the Neolithic culture. Evidence: the Payamballi is a village in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu, the earliest evidence for the domestication of animals and cultivation of plants. Okay, now we will see about the Iron Age. We already know what is Iron Age. Okay, Iron Age. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Iron Age. As the name suggests, people used iron technology. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people, and exchange relationship developed among the people. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments. They used shell ornaments and beads made of carnelian and quartz. Then megalithic burial types. The Iron Age is also known as megalithic. Since people created burials with large stone for the dead people, within these burials, the skeletons or a few bones of dead persons were placed along with grave goods. What is grave goods? Grave goods are the objects placed in the burials along with the physical remains of the dead. Similar burials were also built in the early historic period or the Sangam age. We can see the burial types. The burial types of Kodakal, Topical and Pathikal. Menhis also. Okay. Kodakal. This is Kodakal, look like umbrella. So it's called also umbrella stones. Then Topical, look like hat. So this is called hat stones. Then this is Pathikal, hood stone. These are found in Kerala. Then agriculture and pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Next one, Iron Age society and polity. The Iron Age society had farming communities, hunter-gatherers. What is pottery? Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make blackware and redware pottery. Last one, iron technology and metal tools. The megalithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods. Weapons such as sword and daggers, axes, chisels, lamps and tripod stands are also found. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and in battles. Bronze bowls, vessels with stylish finials decorated with animals and birds, bronze mirrors and bells have also been found. Now we recall it again. What we know about from this lesson: the history of humans is intimately linked with the history of the earth. The earth originated around 4.54 billion years ago. The ancestors of human called hominins appeared about 5 to 7 million years ago. Although people gave divine explanations for the origin of humans, science believes in the theory of human evolution from the great apes. Humans began to domesticate animals and cultivate crops. The agriculture revolution led to many changes. Humans lived in permanent houses made pottery, and with the surplus production they developed various crafts. The earliest evidence of humans is available in Tamil Nadu around 2 to 1.5 million years ago. The Middle Paleolithic culture is found in some parts of Tamil Nadu. The Mesolithic people lived in all the areas of Tamil Nadu. Iron tools were used in agriculture. The Iron Age saw further expansion of people in various cultural zones. The foundation of subsequent Sangam Age was laid during this age. I hope you are all understand this lesson. I will give the homework for your book back. From your book back questions you will do and take photo and then send to my number. Okay, thank you children. We will see in next video.